cheap and cheerful, effective ways to clean your rug yourself. We all love to keep the apartment comfortable and clean. Few rooms do without rugs, which create this comfort. The thing is useful but requires a lot of attention, especially when it comes to cleaning it. Doing it yourself can be quite difficult, but we offer you ways to simplify this task. 1. Soda and acetate. What do we need? Bucket or basin, baking soda, 9% vinegar, warm water, brush. Cleaning process. First, take baking soda, evenly distribute it over the entire surface. We leave it unattended for half an hour, and then collect it after it has absorbed particles of dirt with a vacuum cleaner. Then we pass to the second stage of cleaning. To do this, prepare a solution based on vinegar, dilute 1 tablespoon with a liter of water. This liquid can be carefully poured into the desired area, or it can be poured into a spray bottle and sprayed. Let the solution soak into the carpet, and then brush the surface with a brush. As a result, with the help of a small amount of funds and a minimum budget, we got an excellent carpet cleaner. 2. Soda. It also happens that there is no vinegar in the house. Not a problem, soda itself will do a good job too. We will need soda, bucket, water, spray gun. We begin the cleaning process. In a bucket we breed 2 tablespoons of soda with 2 liters of water. Water should preferably be warm. When this step is completed, we fill the spray bottle with a solution and distribute the liquid along the carpet. After half an hour we vacuumed, we rejoice in a clean carpet. 3. Vinegar, soda, fairy. This method is a real killer for all germs. We will need vinegar, soda, fairy. Cleaning. In a deep large container, add a tablespoon of each of the ingredients. Dilute the composition with a liter of water and mix well. Distribute on the surface, wait about 10 minutes and proceed to further actions. Take a dry rag and wipe off the remaining liquid. It is important that the fabric for removing residues is dry, because otherwise you will not be able to completely get rid of the mixture. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.